Lesson 26, Convenient Quarters. Here's part 1. Find the change, then draw the change using as few coins as possible. And students will be using pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So use the standard algorithm first to find the change, then draw the change using as few coins as possible. This is what students' work will look like when they're done with part 1. As you can see, we found the change, then we drew the change using as few coins as possible. Notice that box D1 was the most convenient because we only had to draw one coin, since 1 quarter is worth 25 cents. Now let's complete the statements in part 1. Suppose you're paying with exactly $1, just like we did here. The magic number to get back 1 quarter in change is 75 cents. Write it down. Next sentence. Once you go over 75 cents, just like here and here, your change will be less than 25 cents, just like here and here, so you won't have enough to make a quarter. Now for part 2. Just like before, find the change, then draw the change using the fewest number of coins possible. This is what students' work will look like when they've completed part 2, and they should notice an interesting pattern. No matter what we did, the difference for all of these problems was exactly 25 cents. And that meant that we only had to draw 1 coin for every single one of these problems. Let's complete the statements to find out how that was possible. Getting 25 cents in change is convenient because you only have to carry 1 coin. Even if the cost goes over the magic number of 75 cents, just like it did here and here, there's still a way to get back exactly 25 cents in change, just like here and here. Let's use 76 cents as an example. Since 76 cents goes over 75 cents by 1 penny, don't pay exactly $1. Instead, pay 1 penny extra and give the cashier $1.01. Then you'll get 25 cents in change instead of 24 cents in change, giving you enough for a quarter. Let's solve and compare. Here's $1 minus 76 cents. Let me write my decimal point. 0 minus 6, we don't have enough to subtract, so touch and protect. Cross off 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. And our change here is 24 cents. Now let's find out what happens when we give a penny to get a penny. Here, instead of paying $1, we're going to give an extra penny and pay $1.01. Let's go ahead and subtract. Here's my decimal point. 1 minus 6. We don't have enough to subtract, so touch and protect. Look to the left, cross off 10. 11 minus 6 equals 5. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 0 minus 0 equals 0. And our final answer here is 25 cents, which means that now you have enough for a quarter. Here's part 3. Instead of paying with just $1, show how to get back exactly 25 cents or 1 quarter in change. Look at the example box. Here's $1 minus 77 cents. And notice that 77 cents is 2 cents more than our magic number of 75 cents. So pay $1.02 instead of $1. Notice here, instead of paying $1, we paid with $1.02. And as a result, our change was exactly 25 cents, which is 1 quarter. Let's try that out in box F. Here's $1 minus 79 cents. And notice that 79 cents is 4 cents more than our magic number of 75 cents. So don't pay exactly $1, pay $1.04. Here's $1.04 minus 79 cents. Write your decimal point and let's subtract. 4 minus 9, we don't have enough to subtract, so let's regroup. 14 minus 9 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. And as you can see, we got back exactly 25 cents in change.